Um, ah, oh my God. Alam mo naman na yung screen ko, guys. So, yeah, we're going to react to cringe videos. Oh my God. Mami, magalit ako. Level infinity tayo. Okay, let's go.
21 minutes until I gotta go, so I told her.
Okay, first one. Di ko pa nga Okay, let's go na.
21 minutes until I gotta go, so I told that girl.
What the fuck? Oh my... Oh my... Oh my gosh. Ang laki ng bibig niya. Okay. Wait lang. Bakit ang laki ng bibig niya? Oh my God. Okay. Okay, that's infinity level na. Okay, next one. Try not to laugh. Laugh to, okay. Okay, let's go. May pusa. Okay? Oh my God. What? Sabi niya, ang maganda. Tan. Oh my. Oh. Guys, pause off the random time. What the frick? Okay. Next video. The alpha. What the frick is the alpha? Okay.
You can control them? No, that one.
Oh. The frick. Oh my God. Okay. Why the frick your face? First of all, why the frick is your face like that? Second of all, why your mouth is like that? And third of all, your eyes is so pangit eh. Okay. The alpha is so cringe, like, pati yung mommy sumali, wow. Okay, next, this one.
Papa,
What the?
what time is it?
Oh, what the? Okay. Kakaswipe ko pa lang. Kakaswipe ko pa lang. Wala ka dun. Oh my!
If you don't like me,
The freak?
I don't care.
Me too! I don't care what you say to me! Oh my...
3 reasons why I wouldn't be a good wife, Phil. Number 1, I'm shy.
What the Sabi niya, I'm the one, I'm shy. Ano yun? Are you cringe? Oh my God. pag nagising nanay, sabi niya, oh,
Number 2, I use a lot of hand gestures.
Number 2, I will swipe this.
Never.
What the fuck? Oh my.
Walking down the street,
Pretty woman, and that's my grandmother. Yeah, but I don't have a grandmother yet. What the freak? No comment.
I'm the leader, I'm the one that
The frick? Oh my gosh, ito na naman.
Control them? No, that one. Pull my arm.
Wow, sumali yung mataba.
Sycamore!
Sumali yung mataba.
Try not to fall in love with me challenge. Level impossible.
What the frick is this?
Oh, hey there, pretty lady.
Oh, ito yung,
I caught my mom.
ito yung inano ko, pinanood ko dati, pero nakridyan talaga ako.
Baby. She a girl.
Casey, down boy, look at your glass face.
Why you so serious?
Ito. His nails is, ayoko na.
I caught my mom gooning and she
Ito.
asked me to join. I wake up because I hear these weird sounds coming from my mom's room. I thought maybe she was crying or watching one of those sad-ass Hallmark movies again. I caught...
What? That was ano daw?
Meow.
Oh my. Ewan ko. Sige, wait lang. Continue natin. Oh. If I see that in my room, I will just sample that. Yeah, I don't care.
So I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to feel and think. So I came to this strange world.
Ano yun? Ano yun talaga? Okay, ano to?
Father, gentleman.
Parang di naman cringe, sumayaw lang. Oho. Grabe yung alarm. Yan yung alarm ko pag may pasok na ako tapos naiinis ako kaya binabasag ko yung cellphone ko.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
Oh my god, like Yuda.
Johnny,
Ayan.
eating sugar.
You know that's salt, not sugar.
Small potato, small potato, small potato, small potato, small potato, small potato, small potato.
So yung mga gantong pusa, itong pusa na to yan, na, it's okay, pero ba't yung video? What the frick? Okay. Ayoko na yung panood. Okay. What? Sabi niya, Idumana! Ano yun? Ano yun? Courage lover.
How old are you? Are you asking that because you think I'm small?
Yeah, you're super smart. What the frick?
Twinkle, twinkle, little bitch, just another Mars.
Isan ko ba yan sa ano ko, sa kasing ko kasi ganyan siya eh.
I'm getting tricky with a rifle. I'll pull the trigger with my eyes closed, hoping to hit you super vital. And when I miss, you come and kiss me with a smile.
Ayoko na talaga. What the frick? Grabe oh, statue din siya oh. Grabe oh, statue. Wow. Ano yan? Ano yan?
Really love cupcakes.
You also love getting diabetes?
Sorry, I don't talk in a woo-woo voice. I don't know what you expected me to do.
Ew.
Oh.
No. Show your death stare when the beat drops.
Parang yan yung mukha ng Zepeto ko, ah. Oh my gosh, may cousin! Wow! Hello! May cousin! Uwi ka dyan ng uwi. Iuwi kita sa ano mo, sa tayo mo. Okay. Guys, that's all. All na yun. Wala na akong iba ma-post. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.